Welcome to another quite nice but quite windy day up north. I'm just out for a morning spin solo. Got quite a busy day lined up today. We're heading over to Newcastle to take an unusual bike to Backyard for some work. We basically managed to get hold of a BMX and thought we might do something silly with it. So over at Backyard we'll be catching up with Nick number 1, and then we're going south to catch up with Nick number 2, who hasn't been in the videos for a long time. Anyway, I've tried to do an easy spin today and it hasn't worked. I've now got to ride up this massive 20% hill, so camera away. Why do they live up such a big hill? So thanks to a very nice guy called Andrew, we now have a BMX in the back of the car. I don't want to reveal too much about what we want to do with it, but it involves making it as fast as possible. We're now heading to Backyard Bike Shop. We're going to try and pimp it out, or at least order the parts to be able to pimp it out, and yeah, see how fast we can get a BMX. I don't know anything about BMXs. I think it's heavy.
It is heavy.
Which means it's strong. You're like an ex-pro flatland BMXer, aren't you? So you can
yeah, exactly.
give me some tips.
I would rate it a solid 8 out of 10.
How fast do you reckon you can make this BMX?
Faster than Jimmy, so I mean, not very fast, but doable.
I haven't said what we're doing, but are you going to do it with me? But you don't have to ride a BMX.
I've got a rally chopper for him. Jimmy should do the rollerblades.
I'm gonna do some riding.
You think this will fit? There.
Maybe, yeah. Put lightweights on, that'd be great.
Wouldn't, because they're so unbelievably unaero that it would actually slow you down.
I do apologise, guys, not being able to tell you what this is, but it's just top secret. Sometimes things have got to stay that way until we know it's definitely happening.
You do love being cryptic, though. Well, it's not even.
Okay.
It's like if it's even possible.
Yeah.
Is kind of like the.
I just think it's mega ballsy. Land's End to John O'Groats.
I think Land's End John O'Groats might actually be easier than the thing we're trying to do.
Why would you think that? Do you measure the crank length? Do you know what it is?
I don't want to mess around with the cranks.
No, but just out of curiosity.
Right.
Yeah. It does look. It looks about normal, doesn't it?
Whose it is that's found on the woodshed.
You got a nut. There's just BMXs everywhere. That one looks better than mine. I'll be alright. It's like this.
Yeah.
Sorted. Stuff's in order. Project BMXs go. Yeah?
But first off, Project Subway.
Project Subway.
You can drive.
We are now back in the car on our way to meet Nick and Rachel in Yorkshire. I think we're heading to a place called Richmond, which is where the World Championships were held, or the Tour of Britain, or the Tour of Yorkshire. Tour of Yorkshire. Something cycling related was there anyway. We don't have bikes with us, so we can't enjoy it to the max.
You have a bike?
Oh, I've got, yeah, true.
I think our steering wheel's gonna fall off.
Playground right there.
Lovely.
Welcome to Yorkshire, guys.
Yorkshire.
It's very slightly souther. So the plan is to meet the guys at the pub. We're an hour and a half early though, so we're just going to play in this playground instead.
Kick it.
How weird your shoes are.
What's weird about them?
Well, they feel weird for a start.
What do you do?
No, they
once
don't.
you're up?
You're not feeling them, I just felt them, they are.
Well, of course I'm feeling them. They're attached to me.
Yeah, the inside's different to the outside.
No, it's the same.
It's different.
It's the same.
I'm telling you, it's different.
How do you know?
Excuse me.
Should we go and have a beer?
Yes. Let's be adults.
It's only because the kids turned up, taking their
Fine.
playground back.
Fine. Expensive for everything associated.
Hey guys. Hey.
Add music.
What did he say? Naughty little
That's
music
it.
maker.
What? Who's a naughty little music maker?
It's my naughty noise maker.
What is your naughty noise?
No, like I said, it's my naughty noise maker. You went.
Steal one if you want, man.
Get in there.
Child of the North! Child of the North! Right there! Don't touch them because they have COVIDs and spiders.
The spiders.
What is the DVD which says of human bondage? That's one for you, Nick.
Oh, Jimmy! Anything good?
You know it's true.
Is that light a bit harsh? That's a big old lamp. We're just getting ready to go out riding again the next day, which will be in tomorrow's video, or the day after tomorrow, whatever time you watch it in fact, where we'll be riding the best gravel road possibly in the UK, the Wascally Way. Daisy hasn't been there before, so it should be really exciting. I've pretty much spent all morning ordering parts for this BMX, trying to make it as fast as possible. Currently the list is skinny tyres, but wide enough to fit on the BMX rims. Super long seat post, that is super long, but probably not quite long enough to actually get my saddle height out of it, but it's gonna make the thing that I'm doing a lot easier because at least I'll be able to sit down a bit. Front brake so it's road legal, and the caliper had to be big enough to actually fit on a BMX and reach the braking surface on the front wheel. That was really annoying to find. An easier gear on the back. I actually managed to find a little Shimano free wheel that should fit on the BMX wheel. Hopefully it will all be worth it and things will come together. Let us know in the comments if you have any other ideas of what we could do to make this BMX faster as well, aside from drilling holes in it. I think the weight's the biggest problem. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for that gravel ride tomorrow, and I'll see you soon.